Some watches look really, really good in photos, and others completely change when the light hits them. Today, we're going to feature something that we have not seen yet on this channel. This is the Sidewinder Andromeda. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Dive Time Watch Reviews. I'm your buddy Slickpits. If you dig watches, watch content, and all that stuff, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. We're creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to give away a watch. And let's keep going on. Recently, guys, I got the opportunity to meet up with Sean from Sidewinder Watches. He was actually down in Perdido Key hanging out with his family, and I was able to meet up with him, and he handed me this watch that I'm going to review for you. This is not the production model, though. This is actually the prototype of the new Sidewinder Andromeda. He does make these in-house in his home. He builds them all one by one, but this is a prototype. And before we really get into the watch, there's a few things that you're going to have to know about this one. This prototype was never pressure tested, guys. Because of that, I will not be diving this watch. Production models will be water tested, and this one's probably going to be staying dry. Also, the production version will feature an exhibition caseback, so you can see the really cool snake rotor in the back, whereas this one has a closed caseback. There's a few little options and things that I'm just telling you about, so when we open this up, you're going to see some little differences. I just wanted to be extremely transparent while I was opening the box, so you're not seeing this, and then when you look at what's online, thinking there's too many differences. Now we can move forward. All right, guys, let's see what Sean brought us here from Sidewinder Watches. We're going to open this up, and I've actually seen this watch. He handed it to me, so we kind of looked at it and went over a few things. In the box, you've got your card right here from Sean. So typically, guys, this is actually going to come on a steel bracelet. He had it on the bracelet, but when he handed it to me, he had it on this actual alligator strap, and it is just an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful piece, guys. The dial, it immediately grabs your attention for sure. The forged carbon dial is honestly mesmerizing, guys. Depending on how the light hits it, it almost looks alive. Instead of a flat surface, you're getting depth, texture, and constantly changing colors. Move it just a few degrees and it becomes an entirely different watch. No two angles look exactly the same. It's probably my favorite part so far. I'm trying to catch it right now. If you can see it, as you turn it, it goes from a blue to a purple, depending on how the light catches it. Maybe that's a bit of purple right there. Watch does come on a fully stainless steel bracelet made from 316L stainless steel. The finishing is really excellent. Of course, this being a prototype, they actually still have the laser on the outside. This will not be exactly the way you get yours when you get this watch in, but it's got that really cool snake design. It feels really nice, and it is very, very solid, guys. Really nice with the links. And of course, it's got a standard trifold clasp. I just didn't have the opportunity and the time right now to just swap it over. I figured I would just present it to you guys on the alligator strap. Sean also included this color matched genuine alligator strap, guys, and honestly, I think this thing might completely change the personality of the watch. On the bracelet, it's really nice. It's really modern and everything. But you know what? On the alligator strap, I think it's going to become something much, much more refined. We'll definitely try both in the full review, but I can tell you right now, this bad boy is probably not going to come off this watch until I send it back, because I absolutely love it. All right, guys, the specs on the watch. 38mm case, 316L stainless steel, and of course it came on that stainless steel bracelet. Forged carbon dial, genuine alligator strap, and it tells you right there, alligator genuine. And it does have a Seiko NH35 automatic movement. The prototype, guys, like I said, it does have a closed caseback on the prototype, but the regular models that are in production have an exhibition caseback and a really cool snake rotor. I'll show you that photo right here so you can check that out. And it is automatic. And of course, it's got that wonderful little date window that is framed in the way I love it, because I think a frame window just sets really nice. All right, guys, for reference, I have a 7 1/4 inch wrist. I actually like this size. At 38 millimeters, it wears incredibly comfortable, and honestly, the dial makes it wear just a little larger than the numbers suggest. But I really like it, even on my wrist. It's classy looking, it's classy sized, and I feel like it lays wonderfully on the wrist, and it's going to look really good going out. Business meetings, wouldn't matter. It's going to be awesome. So that's our first look at the prototype Sidewinder Andromeda. Even before getting into the full review, there's already a couple of things that are standing out. That forged carbon dial is absolutely stunning, guys. The finishing feels far above what I expected, and I cannot wait to spend some time with it. Just remember, what you've seen today is just the prototype, and it's not what you're going to see when it comes to the production. The production models will include the exhibition caseback and that custom snake rotor. Huge thanks to Sean from Sidewinder for trusting me with it with one of his earliest examples of this watch. If you enjoyed the first look, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, it's not about the cost of your watch, it's about the adventures and the memories that you make with them. And I'll see you on the next dive.